Hello everyone, now we are going to design a smart water monitoring system. The apparatus we need is the Arduino and the water flow sensor and the battery and also the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. And the water flow sensor, here we can see that the wires are VCC signal and the ground. VCC is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino and the ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino, and the signal is connected to the pin 2 of the Arduino. And the ESP8266, it is connected to the VCC is connected to the 3.3 volt, and the ground is connected to the ground of the Arduino, and the other components like other connections like TX and RX pin, TX to the pin 3 and RX to the pin 4. Thank you.
Hello, now we are going to explain about the Arduino code here. Arduino code we are including the values, include software serial.h program, and next we are initializing the values status LED, 13, LED pin as 13 and the interrupt as 0, and given the water flow sensor pin to the 2, and we are initializing the other values to calculate the water flow sensor. And here next software serial ESP8266 3.4 as we given to the pins to the 3 and I mean RX pin and TX pin to 3 and 4. Next, define SSID. We are giving the Wi-Fi network which is available right now and the password to connect to the Wi-Fi. And the AC is necessary to connect to the Wi-Fi as we use the ESP8266 module here, and it will begin after 9.6 milliseconds, and we will send the AT function to reset the AT commands, and AT commands such as CW mode. It's ESP8266. It gives to the station mode, and next CWJAP it connects to the Wi-Fi available, which is available through the Wi-Fi name and the password which is given here as we given before. And if it is okay, then it will be connect. If it is not okay, then it will stop the program and it will wait. And next, it will CIFSR. It will AT plus CIFSR command is to print the IP address, and AT CIP MUX. It sets to the multiple ESP86 to the multiple connections, and pin mode status LED output. If we set the status LED is the output, and the status LED is high. Means high means it will LED will be on, and the sensor pin be given as the 2, and so it will take as the input, and it is the high. Next, we will initialize as it should start the values from 0. It will be better if we start the values from 0. Otherwise, it will be a problem while calculating these values. Next, if millis minus hold time milliseconds, it counters once per second, and next detach interrupt sensor interrupt, and this is needed for to count the flow rate. And next, we will initialize values and to calculate all the flow milliliters and the total milliliters, and we will print the values serial.print int flow rate, and we will print the values flow milliliters and output liquid quantity output liquid quantity, and we will next it goes to the fraction which converts the fraction into string and flow milliliters into FM and total milliliters into TM. And next, what it counts. Next, send 80 plus CIP start TCP. This is needed to connect the pingspeak.com. And here we will use these commands to show the values in that, and key, we should use the right key from the ThingSpeak app, which is available in our channel. And the F, as we declared earlier, our F and FM and TM, these values, flow milliliters and the total milliliters, and also the frac. It will show this, and it will the length. CMD it mean length, it command length, and it will finally, after executing, it will close after 1 second. Thank you. After connecting the battery to the Arduino, now we can see the values in the smart water channels in the smart water monitoring system and channel states. It shows the chart of the flow rate and the current liquid flow rate and the current liquid quantity. These are the values for it in the thingspeak.com. Thank you.